Are your legs feeling weaker with age? Discover 7 powerhouse foods that help seniors rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and stay active, all naturally through diet. As we age, maintaining strong legs becomes increasingly important for overall mobility, independence, and quality of life. For seniors, weak leg muscles can lead to balance issues, falls, reduced physical activity, and a decline in day-to-day function. One of the main reasons for leg weakness in older adults is a condition known as sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that typically begins around the age of 50 and accelerates after 60. This gradual decline in muscle mass and strength can severely impact mobility and leg function if not addressed properly. Fortunately, lifestyle choices, especially nutrition, can play a powerful role in combating this decline. Muscles require fuel and building blocks to remain strong and resilient, and the right foods can provide the essential nutrients needed to preserve and even rebuild leg strength. Protein-rich foods help repair muscle tissue, while key vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids support muscle performance, circulation, and bone health. For seniors, choosing the right foods is not just about eating well. It's a natural way to support physical strength and stability as the body changes with age. If you're looking for effective foods to strengthen weak legs in seniors, focusing on nutrient-dense options is a smart, sustainable solution. Foods like salmon, spinach, Greek yogurt, eggs, bananas, and lentils are all excellent choices, each contributing to muscle repair, energy production, and inflammation reduction. Incorporating these into daily meals can help older adults not only maintain strength but also feel more energetic and confident in their movements. Weak leg muscles are not an inevitable part of aging. By understanding how diet affects muscle health, seniors and caregivers can take proactive steps to support leg strength without relying solely on exercise or medication. In fact, for seniors with limited mobility, food becomes an especially important intervention, one that can help manage symptoms of sarcopenia and prevent further decline. In addition to helping build muscle, a well-rounded diet also improves circulation, joint health, and overall vitality, making it easier for seniors to stay active and engaged. Combined with light exercise and proper hydration, the right foods can transform leg health and contribute to long-term mobility and independence. Ultimately, addressing leg weakness through diet offers a practical, low-risk approach for aging adults who want to improve their physical resilience. Whether you're a caregiver, a senior yourself, or someone concerned about aging well, choosing foods that support strong legs is a smart first step toward better health. If you're looking for effective foods to strengthen weak legs in seniors, the right nutrition can make a significant difference, and it's never too late to start. Many seniors experience weak legs due to a combination of age-related changes in the body. One of the primary causes is age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, which naturally occurs as muscle mass and strength decline with age. This progressive loss can lead to reduced mobility and a greater risk of falls. In addition to muscle loss, poor circulation can also contribute to leg weakness. As blood flow becomes less efficient with age, muscles receive less oxygen and nutrients, which impacts strength and endurance. Another key factor is a lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyles, common among older adults, accelerate muscle deterioration and joint stiffness. Without regular movement or exercise, leg muscles weaken over time, making everyday tasks more difficult. Nutritional deficiencies also play a major role. Inadequate intake of protein, vitamin D, calcium, and other essential nutrients can prevent the body from maintaining or rebuilding muscle tissue. These factors often work together, compounding leg weakness and reducing overall mobility. Understanding the causes behind weak legs in seniors is the first step toward effective solutions. Addressing muscle loss, circulation, and nutrition can make a significant difference in leg strength and overall quality of life for aging adults. Nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining and improving leg strength, especially in seniors. As the body ages, it becomes more important to supply it with nutrients that support muscle maintenance, bone density, and overall mobility. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, helping to counteract age-related muscle loss. Seniors should aim for high-quality protein sources like eggs, lean meats, dairy, legumes, and fish to support muscle recovery and strength. Calcium and vitamin D are equally important for maintaining strong bones and preventing fractures, which are a common consequence of leg weakness and falls. Vitamin D also supports muscle function, and a deficiency in this nutrient is linked to decreased strength in older adults. Meanwhile, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and in flax seeds or walnuts, have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle soreness and improve mobility. In addition to these nutrients, anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and olive oil can support joint health and improve circulation. For those seeking the best nutrition for senior muscle mass, focusing on muscle recovery foods and foods to improve circulation in legs is key. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients can significantly enhance leg strength and overall well-being in seniors. Before we dive into the main topic, 7 foods to strengthen seniors' weak legs, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more health-related videos. Feel free to ask any question you may have and comment below. Please share this content with your family and friends if you find this video helpful. By doing this, more people become aware of this channel. This information should not be interpreted as medical advice. Number 1 is salmon. Salmon is one of the most nutrient-rich foods available and an excellent choice for seniors looking to strengthen weak legs through diet. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D, salmon delivers powerful nutritional benefits that support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and promote bone strength. These nutrients work together to combat common issues in aging adults, such as muscle loss, joint stiffness, and decreased mobility. One of the key reasons salmon is ideal for seniors is its high concentration of omega-3s, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can worsen muscle fatigue and joint pain, both of which contribute to leg weakness. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s help support better movement and joint flexibility. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Protein helps rebuild muscle tissue, especially after activity, and is vital in slowing down age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Another advantage of eating salmon is its high vitamin D content. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and bone health. A deficiency in this vitamin is linked to weaker muscles and a higher risk of falls in seniors, making salmon a smart dietary choice. Seniors can enjoy salmon in a variety of simple, delicious ways. Baked or grilled salmon with herbs makes a soft, easy-to-chew meal. Salmon patties or salmon salad can be served cold for a quick lunch option. Canned salmon is also a convenient and affordable choice that retains many of the same nutrients as fresh. Including salmon in meals just twice a week can provide significant benefits for leg strength and overall health. For those seeking foods to strengthen weak legs in seniors, salmon is one of the top choices to include regularly. Number 2 is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse food for seniors aiming to strengthen weak legs naturally through nutrition. Rich in protein and calcium, and known for being easy to digest, Greek yogurt offers a wide range of health benefits that support both muscle and bone strength, 2 key factors in maintaining leg function and mobility as we age. Its thick, creamy texture is also gentle on the digestive system, making it an ideal choice for older adults with sensitive stomachs. The high protein content in Greek yogurt plays a direct role in preserving and rebuilding muscle mass, which is essential for combating sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, and regular intake helps maintain leg strength, supports muscle recovery, and contributes to overall physical resilience. Additionally, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is critical for maintaining bone density. Strong bones reduce the risk of fractures and support proper leg function and balance. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which can help improve gut health and nutrient absorption, factors that indirectly support muscle function by ensuring the body is getting the most out of the foods consumed. For seniors looking for foods to strengthen weak legs, Greek yogurt is both nutritious and versatile. There are many simple, senior-friendly ways to enjoy Greek yogurt. It can be eaten plain or topped with soft fruits like bananas or berries for added nutrients and flavor. Blending it into smoothies offers a delicious, easy-to-drink option for those with reduced appetite or chewing difficulties. Greek yogurt can also be used as a base for dips or as a substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in meals. Including a serving of Greek yogurt daily can contribute significantly to better leg strength, mobility, and overall health in aging adults. Number 3 is spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that offers powerful health benefits for seniors, especially when it comes to strengthening weak legs. Packed with magnesium, potassium, and iron, spinach plays a vital role in supporting muscle function, improving circulation, and boosting overall energy levels. These nutrients are essential for maintaining leg strength and mobility in aging adults, making spinach one of the top foods to include in a senior-friendly diet. Magnesium is crucial for proper muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent cramps and fatigue in the legs. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals, which are important for muscular function and reducing stiffness or weakness. Iron supports the production of red blood cells and improves oxygen delivery throughout the body, including to the leg muscles, promoting better endurance and circulation. By improving both muscle performance and blood flow, spinach directly supports leg strength and reduces the risk of fatigue or discomfort that can lead to decreased activity. Its anti-inflammatory properties also aid in joint health and muscle recovery, making it ideal for seniors managing chronic pain or limited mobility. Spinach is highly versatile and easy to prepare in ways that suit older adults. It can be lightly sautéed with olive oil and garlic for a soft, flavorful side dish, or added to soups and stews for extra nutrients. For a quick option, it can be blended into smoothies or mixed into scrambled eggs or omelets. Pre-washed baby spinach is also a convenient option that can be added raw to salads or sandwiches. Whether cooked or raw, spinach is an excellent addition to a senior's diet, offering essential nutrients that contribute to stronger legs, better movement, and improved overall vitality. For those seeking foods to improve circulation in legs and support muscle strength, spinach is a smart and effective choice. Number 4 is egg. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. They're also rich in vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle health, and vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and energy metabolism. In addition, eggs provide healthy fats and choline, which supports brain health, a bonus for aging adults. The high-quality protein in eggs helps maintain and rebuild muscle mass, which is crucial for leg strength, especially in seniors experiencing sarcopenia. Vitamin D in eggs also contributes to stronger bones and muscle coordination, while B12 helps prevent nerve damage and weakness, which can affect balance and movement in the legs. Eggs are soft, easy to prepare, and versatile. Seniors can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or poached for breakfast or as part of a light meal. Egg salads or vegetable omelets add variety and additional nutrients. For those with chewing difficulties, soft-boiled or mashed eggs can be a gentle and nourishing option. Number 5 is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral essential for muscle contractions, fluid balance, and nerve signaling. They also contain vitamin B6, fiber, and natural sugars that provide a quick and sustained energy boost, ideal for seniors needing more vitality in their day. Potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and fatigue, supporting smoother, more effective muscle movement in the legs. This makes bananas ideal for seniors dealing with leg weakness or poor circulation. Their natural sugars and B vitamins also help maintain energy levels, encouraging more physical activity, which in turn supports leg strength. Bananas are one of the easiest fruits to eat, no preparation needed. They can be eaten as is, sliced into oatmeal or Greek yogurt, blended into smoothies, or mashed for easy digestion. For a muscle-supporting snack, bananas can be paired with peanut butter for added protein and healthy fat. Number 6 is lentils. Lentils are a highly nutritious and affordable legume that can play a vital role in strengthening weak legs, especially for seniors. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, iron, fiber, and key minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and folate. These nutrients contribute to overall muscle health, circulation, and sustained energy, essential elements for maintaining leg strength and mobility in older adults. One of the primary nutritional benefits of lentils is their high protein content, which supports muscle repair and growth, especially important for combating sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Unlike some plant proteins, lentils are rich in essential amino acids, making them a powerful food for seniors on vegetarian or low-meat diets. Lentils also provide a steady source of iron, which helps transport oxygen to muscles, improving endurance and circulation. In addition, magnesium and potassium contribute to proper muscle contraction and nerve function, helping reduce cramping and weakness in the legs. For seniors, lentils are easy to incorporate into meals and don't require chewing tough textures. They can be cooked soft and added to soups, stews, or purees for a comforting and digestible option. Mashed lentils can be used in patties or spreads, while lentil salads with soft-cooked vegetables make for a nutrient-dense, easy-to-eat dish. Pre-cooked canned lentils are also available, providing a quick and convenient way to boost daily protein and fiber intake without the need for long cooking times. Including lentils in a senior's diet several times a week can significantly improve muscle health, energy levels, and leg function. For those seeking foods to strengthen weak legs in seniors, lentils are one of the best plant-based choices, offering both versatility and powerful nutritional support. The last one is fortified milk and plant-based alternatives. Fortified milk and plant-based alternatives like almond, soy, or oat milk are excellent options for seniors aiming to strengthen weak legs through better nutrition. These beverages are typically fortified with calcium and vitamin D, two essential nutrients for maintaining bone density and muscle function, which are critical for leg strength and overall mobility in older adults. Calcium plays a key role in preserving bone structure and preventing conditions like osteoporosis, which can lead to weak, brittle bones and increase the risk of leg fractures. Vitamin D, often added to both dairy and non-dairy milk, enhances calcium absorption and supports muscle coordination, helping reduce the risk of falls and muscle weakness. Some plant-based milks, like soy milk, also offer a decent amount of protein, further aiding muscle maintenance and repair. For seniors who are lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, plant-based milks offer a digestible and nutrient-packed alternative. Many of these are enriched not only with calcium and vitamin D, but also with vitamin B12 and omega-3s, adding even more muscle and bone support. Practical ways to consume these fortified beverages include drinking them plain, adding them to oatmeal, smoothies, or coffee, or using them in cooking and baking. Seniors can easily incorporate 1 to 2 servings a day to help support stronger legs and better mobility. Additional nutrition tips for seniors. Proper nutrition goes beyond just choosing the right foods. Hydration, limiting harmful ingredients, and maintaining balanced meals are equally important, especially for seniors aiming to improve leg strength and overall wellness. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but plays a critical role in muscle performance. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and impaired joint lubrication,